Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Study finds that experiencing South Korea's cherry blossoms could enhance well being and increase longevity. Michael Keaton only had 17 minutes of screen time, even though the movie was called Beetlejuice. Karhan Salt Lake is the largest salt lake in China and the second largest in the world. It is located in Kaidam Basin in the western part of Qinghai province. Eating watermelon on an empty stomach in the morning hydrates the body, flushes out toxins, and promotes radiant skin because watermelon is high in water content, vitamin C, and lycopene. Peacock spider flaunt their dance skills to entice female spiders. Adult coloring books reduce anxiety and stress. Lotus mantis, a rare insect disguised as a lotus flower living high in the mountains. Therapy dogs waiting to start their shift at a children's hospital. In 2007, tennis legends Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal faced off in the Battle of Surfaces exhibition in Mallorca. The court was split between clay and grass. Musician Dagmar Turner is woken up midway through brain surgery to play the violin to ensure the parts of her brain responsible for intricate hand movements were not affected during the procedure. Uruguayan player using an oxygen mask in the match against Bolivia played at an altitude of 4,150 meters. A long time ago, families would lose their loved one without having any photos or paintings of what they looked like, so they would bring their dead loved ones to get painted or photographed. This one was a painting of a child propped up and it was painted with his eyes open. Some high-end Mercedes vehicles will play a loud pink noise when it detects an incoming collision. This triggers your ears to tense specific muscle and prevents the loud noise from the crash from causing hear loss. This is how ancient Greece really looked like. Here is a reconstruction of curate streets in ancient Ephesus. Drillers have 20% chance of finding oil in Saudi Arabia, which the government buys for $2 million per location. Of the United States' 2.9 million female high school athletes, only 3% are cheerleaders, yet cheerleading accounts for nearly 65% of all catastrophic injuries in girls' high school. Athletics carries the highest rate of catastrophic injuries in sports. You have a 0.001% chance of seeing a submarine in your life as they stay underwater for 90 days straight. Less than a quarter of US workers report using math any more complicated than basic fractions and percentages during their jobs. Blue collar workers generally do more advanced math than their white collar friends. Trained pushers in China go through a 5-year training before the job, earn $200,000 per year. A pyramid-shaped mountain in Antarctica. Until almost 45 years ago, tunas were caught for fun and either sent to landfills or ground into pet food. In Japan, tuna was called nekomatagi, meaning fish that even a cat would disdain. The bathroom in this Japanese ramen restaurant has a ridiculous amount of toilet paper rolls inside. When an anchor chain falls, workers have 10 seconds to stop it. Two dim stars from the Big Dipper served as an ancient eye test. If you had lived in the time of the early Romans and could see them, you would have been eligible to be an archer in the Roman army. Transporting a 1000-ton oil column can take 2 to 4 months, 1 kilometer per hour. We can't just throw all our garbage into a volcano to burn it up because volcanoes are not hot enough to melt the metals in the trash, and most volcanoes don't have a lava lake. Only 8 of the thousands of volcanoes on earth have a lava lake. 10 million people per day use Shanghai Metro with only 3 million per day capacity. A nuclear powered flying hotel that stays airborne indefinitely, carrying 5,000 guests in ultimate luxury with 360-degree sky views, AI pilots, and world class amenities. This concept redefines air travel. In a 2006 survey, 32% of American workers reported having a work spouse or office husband or wife, indicating a close platonic relationship with a colleague marked by deep trust and emotional support, similar to a marriage bond. Johnny Depp purchased a 19th century abandoned village near Saint-Tropez, France in 2001. He restored it into a private retreat and later listed it for sale multiple times, with prices reaching up to $63 million. Best ways to eat carbs for weight loss. Banana plus peanut butter. Veggie dal plus rice. Three cup vegetable rice. Steel cut oats. Cold pasta. Thanks for watching.